everyone, it's Louise with Louise DecoArt. And what do you see in front of you today? Yes, I'm back to do another tray, and this is going to be the last thing I paint because I'm going out of town tomorrow for my daughter's wedding in California. So I will be out of the picture for a week, although I'm still going to have videos uploading, but by the time you see this, I'll probably already be back. But I'm doing a tray in the same color palette as I did my coasters last. And I have here, this is DecoArt's Amethyst with also some Arteza, with Arteza's Pearl Amethyst Purple. Pearl Amethyst Purple. This is Amsterdam's Naples Yellow with some Glidden's high flow acrylic titanium white to thin it down and lighten it up. This here is Pearl Rose by Arteza. This is Amsterdam's bluish green. This is a combination ColorArt Prism Pour, Neptune's Gaze, and Sapphire. These things might be a little bit thick, but I think I'll go with it anyway. This is a combination of golds. Iridescent Gold by Glidden, 24 karat gold by DecoArt, and also Extreme Sheen's 24 karat. So I got quite a variety here. And I've got my pillow paint, which is my Multi-Pro. I've got my canvas, which is my tray taped off. And yeah, I'm gonna get the pillow down and I'll show you some of it because, you know, once you've seen me do it once, it's kind of, it doesn't have any real point. I'm gonna put my pillow down and we'll get you started. I also am not wearing any gloves today because I want to have my fingers free and clean as I handle the tray. I don't want to have any errant paint on it. If I have gloves on, then I won't be able to feel it. So yeah, let's get going here. I'll be back in a second. So I forgot to mention, I've already primed this. So let's get this thing going here. The tricky part of this process is putting enough paint down. So I always say, put less down to start with, and then add as you go. So I'm going to just tilt it around. See how far I get. I'm definitely gonna need more. And there's stuff in the paint I need to get out. So I always kind of guess where I need to go, and then I add a little bit. And for the newer viewers, I want to point out that I do have the inside of the tray taped so that if there is an errant drip or blow, it will not go up the side and make a mess for myself. And it's about 3/8 of an inch up from the bottom of the tray. Let's get this design moving. Keep my hands clean. So I was thinking about doing, what was I doing? Like a C like that, and then a C going in the other direction. So like this, and like this. So let me get started. I'm sorry I'm using my stick again, but it's kind of like using your pencil. This is my pencil. What I mean by that is I am basically laying down the first color as my sketching point, whereupon I'm going to lay over the other colors. And if you haven't noticed already, we're on double speed again to try to save time. And this color is Arteza's Pearl Amethyst Purple combined with DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Amethyst. Now this is Amsterdam's Naples Yellow combined with Glidden's High Flow Titanium White to thin it down. For some reason, my yellows are always really thick. Don't know why. Every single different brand of paint I use, they always come out thicker. So it was nice to have the High Flow as a way of thinning it down. This color is Arteza's Pearl Rose. Obviously one of my favorites because I use it all the time. And let's see, what do I have coming up next here? So this is Amsterdam's Bluish Green. And right there, I dripped a little piece of the bluish green into the paint, and I didn't want to have it there, so I just dabbed my finger in there to try to erase it, and it works for the most part. This color is my Prism Pour combo of Neptune's Gaze with Prism Pour Sapphire. Here I waved my magic wand and presto. Yeah, unfortunately, my camera shut off, so I pick up. All right, everyone. So the problem was I had too many videos on my phone, so I'm going to try to make this quick. I want to explain what I did, and then I'll show the result at the end. I basically put down 2 swoops, like a Nike swoop, and I laid down my lavender, my rose, my yellow, my turquoise, my blue, and my gold. And then I worked on one side, put down the white cell activator and the black cell activator, and then I blew it out, blew it out, blew it out. I tried to blow that way, and it didn't want to go that way. And then I blew it out this way. And then I did the same thing on the other side. White cell activator, black cell activator, blew it out, blew it out, blew it out, tried to go this way, it didn't want to go. That's why those colors are not quite blended or with less cell activator, and then went that way. And then in my usual way, after I was done blowing it out, I made sure that my sides were covered, and then I embellished it a little bit. Little wisps here, little wisps there. I did add a little bit of cell activator to the piece and blew it out, and I don't even see where I've done that. Oh, right in here a little bit. Yeah, but I was a little disappointed that this one here in blowing in this direction on the two of them, I could not get them to blow. That's why, like I say, these are a little less blended than like over here or over there or over here, and not my favorite one, but I got to learn from it, and unfortunately you guys didn't get to see me do it. So here is the result, and I'll take I'm not gonna tilt it, I'll take a picture of it and share it with you guys, but I'm really sorry. Yeah, all right, I'll take a shot and we'll put it to bed, and until next time, we'll see you again. All right, take care, bye-bye. So I hope my explanation filled in the gaps, and I will be unloading my videos. Until next time, everybody, take care.